When you first land on doTERRA's website, it's clear that the brand has invested heavily in polished design and clean visuals. The homepage greets you with rotating banners showing new product lines, seasonal promotions, and educational content. Navigation is simple, with clear sections for essential oils, supplements, diffusers, and enrollment options. I started by browsing their essential oils catalog, which is undeniably extensive. They offer both single oils and blends, and each product page contains details about the sourcing, uses, and purity testing. As someone with experience using essential oils, I appreciated the transparent information regarding their CPEG, Certified Pure Tested Grade, standards. But despite the attractive packaging and health-oriented branding, I noticed prices were significantly higher than other premium brands. For example, a basic lavender essential oil is over $30 for a 15 ml bottle. That's a steep price for newcomers or casual users. Exploring the enrollment section, the site pushes you toward becoming either a wholesale customer or a wellness advocate. The difference lies in the level of involvement. Wholesale customers get discounts without selling, while advocates can earn commissions by enrolling others and selling products. This is where the site's MLM, multi-level marketing model becomes more apparent. They don't use the term MLM overly, but phrases like, "build your business," and "grow your team," make it clear. I found it a bit concerning how much emphasis is placed on recruitment rather than just product sales. The site frames it as an empowering opportunity, especially for women or stay-at-home parents. But there's limited transparency on average earnings or success rates. This could be misleading to someone hoping to earn a full-time income. While there's a compensation plan PDF available, it's dense and full of small print. Many useful links you can find in the description. Looking at customer reviews through the site, they're overwhelmingly positive, but third-party reviews paint a different picture. Common complaints include pressure to recruit, auto-ship issues, and difficulty reaching customer service. The return policy is fair, with a 30-day money-back guarantee, but be aware that if you're involved as a wellness advocate, refunds on business materials might not be as generous. From a usability perspective, the site performs well. Pages load quickly, and product images are high quality. The checkout process is smooth, but be cautious of auto-enrollment and loyalty rewards programs, which can add items to your cart on future orders automatically. Overall, doTERRA's website is sleek and well-organized, and their essential oils are high quality. But the business model raises some ethical and financial questions. If you're here for the products alone, be prepared to pay a premium. If you're considering the business side, do your research, understand the risks, and approach it with realistic expectations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future reviews.